So what happened, man? People didn't join it. It's a technical problem. 50% of the people also not joined it. Mhm. 1 second. 1 second, guys. Abdul Rahman, do you want to leave the session? What you are expecting to cancel the session? Then why first you started asking is session there or not? Now you're asking, I didn't hear from you. Maybe you are went outside, man. I already told to the students, wait. I'm just asking, are you not there in the class? Okay. You didn't do any mistake. Let's start class. So morning session we were understanding thread execution entry questions, right? Hope you all remember. We started. What is single thread model application? An application that runs logic only by using one thread is called single thread model application. That means if an application that executes all its operations by using main method is called single thread model application. Okay. So if I have a class with only main method, then we call it a single thread model application. Second, if I create a class extending from a thread, override run method, call start method on that object, then we call it as multi-thread model application. One thread is main thread, another thread is custom thread. If you want to execute multiple tasks concurrently, then what is required? Custom thread is required. If an application executes with multiple threads, then we call it as what? Multi-thread model application. Tell me, in previous all examples, our program is single thread or multi-thread? Single thread, right? Next, can I call run method directly? Up to now we understood calling start method. Can I call run method? Answer is yes. Okay. Can I call run and start method? Yes, both you can call. Then how many times run method executed? 2 times. Then run method is executed 2 times. First in main thread, second in custom thread. In custom thread run, logic is executed only after the run method in the main thread completed. Yes or no? Run method executed 2 times, okay. But this is sequential flow, na? After this run method execution completed, then start get a chance to execute. Once start method executed, then custom thread is created. This is a main thread, and from the main thread, custom thread created. First, main, inside main what happened? From the main equal run directly, then run method is executed. After run completed, control come back to custom thread. Then custom thread create start method. Sorry, custom thread starts its execution by loading run method again. Now, the main method for loop and run method for loop both are executed concurrently. We have seen the output of this program in the morning session. And we stop the session, right? Look at the main start. Main is passed. Run start. Run 1 to 20. Run 1 to 20. Run end. Which run end this is? Main thread run end. Now main for loop start. Run start. Run 1 to 13. Then main 3 to 19. Then run 14. Run end main 20, main. Understood? Can I call both run and start? Yes. Now my question is, can I call run first and then start? Sorry, can I call start first and then run? Is it possible? Can I call start first and then run? Is it possible? Yeah, possible. But is the flow of execution previous program, this program are both same? Come on, tell me. Is the flow of execution both same or not same? No. Why not same? Previously, from the main method, when I call run method, first run method executed fully in main thread, then concurrent flow is start. But now concurrent flow started immediately, na? Then tell me, here start method started custom thread and run method executed in main thread. The run method in the custom thread, the run method in the main thread, both are executed concurrently. Then we'll see output run 1, run 2, run 3. Are you following? Can I call start and then run both? Yes, possible. If we call start and run, then run method executed 2 times, but 2 times it is executed concurrent. Control F11. Look, output. Main start, run start, run start. This is concurrent flow now. So did you understand the difference between run start and start run? Run no start, run method executed 2 times sequentially. Start run method executed 2 times concurrently. Okay. Then very interesting, important question. Tell me, my target is what? Executing multiple tasks concurrent. Now this is main thread and this is custom thread, thread -0. Then tell me, how many tasks I can execute here? Only 2 tasks. One task in main thread, one task in main thread, another task is in custom thread. Only 2 tasks we can run concurrently. If you want to execute multiple tasks, what to do? Come on, if you want to run multiple tasks, what to do? I need one more thread, I need another thread, right? Then tell me, how can I create multiple custom threads? By calling start method. Correct? Then, can I call start method empty.start, empty.start, then first custom thread started. Can I call again empty.start? Can I call again empty.start? Can I call empty.start method 3 times at a time? Possible or not possible? Not possible. Okay, not possible. If I call empty.start method more than once, the remaining 2 times we will get exception. Only you can call start method 1 time. Calling start method more than once is legal or illegal? Illegal. Array, then if I don't call start method, how can I create custom thread? Array Babu, for thread 1 thread object is there, na? For thread 2 also I have to create another thread object. For thread 3 also I have to create another thread object. This is th1, I mean mt1, okay, mt1, and this is what? mt2, and this is mt3. Okay, there are 3 custom threads available. First custom thread, second custom thread, third custom thread. Okay, tell me, how many custom threads you want? Those many objects you must create and call start method by using the thread object. This is the story. Let me give you an example. For example, You want to travel from Secunderabad to Amirpet. Then tell me, when you want to travel from Secunderabad to Amirpet, I will buy a ticket, no? Travel is the operation, ticket is the object. By using the same object ticket, can I travel today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, daily? Yes, sir. Follow this. No. Driver, conductor will kick you out. No, sir, I am buying pass. And then pass day by day, same test day, pass number you are using a day by day increasing the pass number. Only 30 days it is valid. After 30 days, again you have to buy new pass and a monthly pass, monthly ones. Here also, as many custom threads you want to start, those many thread objects you must create. Clear? Let me show you the two programs. Calling start multiple times. Is it possible to call start method more than once? What is the answer? No, it leads to exception. Illegal thread state exception. Look at the empty one dot start one time I called. I'm trying to call what? Second time. Empty one dot start I'm calling second time. When I call second time, what happened? If you call second time, what happened? It leads to exception. Illegal thread state exception. Look, illegal thread state exception. First time call start, run to 20 completed. But second time start, we got exception. So can I call start method more than once? What your answer? No, it is not possible. Okay, clear? Then tell me. Look at this diagram. Can I call start method more than once? No, not possible. It leads to illegal thread state exception. Then what should I do if I want to execute multiple custom threads? I have to create multiple How can we create multiple custom threads? We have two approaches, single class, multiple instances, multiple classes, multiple instances. Okay, let me understand first approach, single class, multiple instances. Okay, my thread, run method. I have used one special name now. What is that? Get name. What the purpose of this get name? I'll explain. Get name is meant for getting the name. Tell me, thread object internally contain name variable. If you want to get the name of the thread, can I get by calling the getter methods or not? Then tell me. My thread 8 empty1 equal to new my thread 8. Again, second my thread empty equal to new my thread. First one is what? Thread 0. Second thread name is what? Thread 1. Then empty1 dot start, empty2 dot start. Everyone visualize this for loop, this run method is loaded into first thread custom thread, and also the same for loop is loaded and executed in second thread custom thread. Then tell me totally how many threads available in this program? Two are. Totally how many threads available? 3 threads. Who is the first thread? First thread कौन है? Main है. Second, third threads कौन है? Thread 0, thread 1. So what is the output of this program? Main start, 2 custom threads are started, main end. Okay, then custom thread 1, thread 0, custom thread 2, thread 1, both are executed how? Concurrently. Then run 0, run 1, run 2, run 3, run 4. We will get output with thread names now. Why? Because I am printing get name method, thread name. इधर देखो समझ में आया? Main start, main end, main thread terminated. Then 2 threads are available in the JVM. Thread 0, then thread 1, thread 0, thread 1, concurrent flow. Okay? So tell me, How can I create multiple custom threads? Simple. Create one thread object and call start method. Second thread of execution, second thread object start method. Third thread of execution, third object start method. Okay. Now tell me, what is the problem in this approach? What is the problem in this approach? There are two problems available. Problem number one, same logic executing. Same logic is executed. Okay. Is it a good idea? Bad idea? Same logic executing. Why bad idea? Why bad idea? Because I asked, you are saying bad idea. Tell me, when you go to bank, there are two counters are there. In both the counters, same deposit logic executing or different deposit logic executing. Huh? Same logic or different logic? Same logic, no? When same logic executing, how can I say executing same logic is bad idea? That's what you need to understand. In this counter, deposit logic executing with the given customer account number and balance amount. Na? In second counter, second customer account number balance. Third customer account number balance. So tell me, when you want to execute same logic in multiple custom threads, what I have to do? I must execute same logic with different values. If you want to execute same logic with a different values, what should I do? Notice here, you must have a variable to control the for loop or not. How many iterations to execute? I have to tell. In first thread run method, 1 to 10. Second thread run method, 1 to 20. Third thread run method, 1 to 30. But all the three run methods are coming from the same class, my thread class, na? Then how can I say end value, pass it as an argument, store in class level? Look at here, I will explain you through program. So when you want to execute same logic with a different input, What should I do? What should I do? Observe. I have previously what I have taken. Let me remove this code. I need to write. Previously what I have written here, I took here 20. If I take 20 here, what happened in both the threads? In both the threads, same value, same iterations are executed. Okay, now look at that same thread 1 to 20, thread 0 also 1 to 20. I don't want like that. I want to specify values. Then how can you take the value here in place of 20? I should write what here? X. Okay, I must take here X. If I take X here, what happen? Compiler throw error because what is X? I should declare. Can I declare it as a local variable? If I declare as a local variable, what is the value to the local variable? You got to assign the value. If I assign the value, is it equal to the fixing the value here? No? If you want a dynamic value, you have two options. Option number 1, take it as a parameter. Hello. If I take it as a parameter, then run method become overriding method or overloading method. It's a overloading. You want overload or override? Override. So should not have parameter. And then how can I pass value here? Tell me if I declare variable at class level, is there any compile time error? No. Okay. Next. How to initialize this non-static variable via constructor int x. This dot x equal to x. Okay. Control F11. Now look at here. When you define the constructor with parameters, I have to pass arguments or not? What I should pass? 10 and 20 or 15 I am taking. Control F11. Look at the thread 0 executes for 10 iterations. Thread 1 execute for 15 iterations. Now, so tell me, if I want to execute same logic with a different inputs, what should I do? I have to pass as a constructor argument, store in the non-static variable and use that value inside constructor. Okay. Sorry, use that value inside run method. Here you may ask me question, sir, why did you take constructor? Why don't you take setter method? Okay. If I take setter method, public void set x, can you guarantee calling this method before run method? No, no. Before calling run method, can you guarantee the set method call? No. If not, what the x value? 0. If 0, for loop executed? No. So what is the guarantee executing member before run method? Constructor. That's why I took a constructor. Understand? If I take constructor, what is the advantage? For creating object, you will definitely call what? Parameterized constructor. Okay, definitely call parameterized constructor. Then next, parameterized constructor, we will definitely call before start method. Na? So this is how the flow of execution went. Clear everyone? Tell me now. Can you apply the same points in the bank here? This is bank account. This is what? Account. Bank account. This is a thread, sorry, deposited thread. Deposit thread internally contain bank account variable. Constructor with a bank account. I will explain you the project, bank project with this multi-threading, don't worry. Okay, clear? Paka, everyone. The problem in this approach, we cannot execute different logic. So tell me, how to execute different logic? Tell me, different logic means different run method. Different run method means different overriding. Correct? Now tell me, if I want to execute different logics, then I have to create what? Multiple custom thread classes. And each thread class, I have to override run method separately. Look at that. The problem in approach number one, we cannot execute different logic. To execute this different logic, we must create multiple subclasses. Develop multiple custom threads to execute two tasks, adding and subtracting given sequence of numbers. Okay, task 1, add numbers 1 to 20. Task 2, subtract numbers 1 to 20. Print the result in the each iteration. Can you write this code by your own? Can you write this task by your own? Anybody? I mean, all you people. So I'm giving 5 minutes time. Please try to write this code by your own. Let's see how much you understood my multi-threading. Everyone try for within 5 minutes, you have to complete it. Yeah, guys, did you get an idea? How many classes you have developed? 3 classes. Excellent. Super. Yogendra. One, add thread. Second, subthread. Tell me, have you written logic like this? Have you written logic like this? Huh? Uh. Simple addition subtractions also you don't. Array, I ask you to add number 1 to 20. Why are you adding from 0 to 20? Huh? 0 to 20, why did you add? Next, I ask you to subtract 1 to 20. Why are you subtracting from 0 to 20? Then will you get same result or different result? Okay, tell me. If I take addition subtraction, you don't see much difference. If you take multiplication 0 to 20, will you get same result? You will get 0 and big and bada and they are 0. Correct or wrong? This is the biggest blunder you people are doing. And if you start from 0, one extra iteration executed, no? 0 plus 1, 0, 1. So remember, either it is addition or subtraction or multiplication or division. You must start sum with what? 1 and loop start I with what? 2. Then here, what is executed? Sum value 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3. How many iterations? 2 iterations only. Correct? Previously, how many iterations executed? 3. Now, how many execution? How many iterations? 2. So, be careful. That's what I am saying again and again. Okay? In addition, you will get correct result. Start with 0, but extra iteration. In multiplication and subtraction, what happen? Multiple extra iteration plus wrong result you will. Hope you all understand. So with this, we completed the most important topic, how to create a thread, how to create multiple custom threads. Everyone understand the 2 points? Will you all practice these interview questions up to here? These are the topics we completed in today's class. So tomorrow we will try to develop a small project on multi-threading, encapsulation, inheritance, complete topic. Start from Hello World program to till now. What are the topics I have covered in your class? All topics by covering, we will develop our bank application. Do you remember bank application we developed? Bank application we develop exception handling hooks. Now tomorrow we will add multi-threading to it. Okay. Yeah. So please revise that project when you're coming back tomorrow class so that you can remember what you learned. Okay. Tomorrow is online. Monday onwards offline. Already told you, no? Shiv Kumar. Again, why you're asking? Okay. Tomorrow also online. Monday onwards we'll have offline. Okay, guys. Good night. Thank you so much for attending class now. How to write code without some zero? Already written up. Start with 1 and loop 2. Already written now. Okay. Thank you guys. Good night. Thank you so much for attending class. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll discuss project. Thank you.